Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. Okay, that was my club music. I don't go to the club, but hey, sounded cool. Okay, so today's look that I am rocking, no OMG Scrunchie earrings. I am wearing the OMG Scrunchie Meoni Scrunchie. So this is the OMG XXL, and this is a chiffon cheetah print scrunchie here. It's very lightweight as well. So if you clicked on today's video, yes, you read the title correctly, 2,000 scrunchies in 24 hours. But wait, there is a catch. I need you to help me get 2,000 subscribers. 2,000 subscribers. You ask, why 2,000? Because why not? Of course, I could go for 100. I could go for even 1,000, but I want to go bigger than that. So I need you to help share my video, like my video, and help me get to 2,000 subscribers on this OMG Scrunchie channel. And I will stay up for 24 hours in an attempt to make 2,000 scrunchies. So yes, no sleep for mama. So can you help me do that, please? Help me, help me, help me. Yes, I'm talking to you. And if I get to 2,000 subscribers, maybe I will give away perhaps 2,000 scrunchies. I don't know, because I just don't know yet. It's not planned out, but I do want to do this challenge. I did actually do a scrunchie challenge for myself personally, where I did a 5-hour scrunchie challenge. And I must say, that challenge, it was supposed to be 5 hours consecutive. 5 consecutive hours, meaning 5 hours straight back to back. But I am a mother and a wife. So that scrunchie challenge took more than 5 hours. I did do the challenge within 5 hours, meaning whenever I had to do something, I stopped the video to go do something. So I was only making scrunchies for 5 hours, but that video probably took 12 hours. Not the video, it probably took me 12 hours. It was a 12-hour day with all of the stops in between, but I only made scrunchies for 5 hours. I would stop the clock and reset it as I went. So I may post that video. I don't know. But you are here because I need your help so that I can do 2,000 scrunchies. Also, if you want to get this Meoni scrunchie, go to omgscrunchieclub.com. And I forgot to mention, if you're not already subscribed to OMG Scrunchie Club here on YouTube, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and please, please, please like this video. I noticed that majority of the viewers that watch my videos aren't actual subscribers, and for those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. I am still trying to get used to making YouTube videos. I have a secret. Well, it's not a secret. I went to school for broadcast media, so talking in front of the camera is not fearsome to me. Just trying to get followers on YouTube. I'm not big on social media, and I went to college long time ago, long time ago, where we were actually doing linear edits. So if anyone knows what I'm talking about, instead of doing all this digital stuff where you just drop it in, we had to do linear edits where you had to turn this dial to edit and splice your video. We weren't even using mini chip cards. We were using mini DV camera cards as well as camcorder videotapes, but that has nothing to do with this video. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And at any time, if you have any ideas of scrunchies or any creative things that you would like to see me do on my YouTube channel, scrunchie related, of course, please leave a comment below. I'm thinking of making scrunchies for a Barbie doll or something tiny. My daughter collects LOL dolls, so maybe I will do a scrunchie challenge for an LOL doll. I don't have any pets, so I could have made a scrunchie for a pet, but I don't have any pets. But I do have some ideas. I have a list of things that I want to do, but this is one that I really want to do. I want to hit 2,000 subscribers, and I want to do a 2,000 scrunchie 24-hour challenge. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.